How does data science help in recognizing speech? Data science teaches computers to understand spoken words by analyzing patterns in sound. This is how voice assistants like Siri and Alexa can respond to your commands. Describe a scenario where data science is applied to analyze pictures. Imagine sorting through vacation photos. Data science helps quickly find specific images, like those with beaches, by recognizing patterns in the pictures. What are the objectives of artificial intelligence, AI? AI aims to create machines that can perform tasks requiring human intelligence, from understanding language to making decisions, ultimately making our lives easier. Explain the process of analyzing text data. Analyzing text involves breaking down written words, understanding their meanings, and extracting important information to comprehend the text's context. What are some examples of how image recognition is used in real life? Your phone unlocking with your face? That's image recognition. Self-driving cars see and spot signs using image recognition. Doctors diagnose illnesses using image recognition on X-rays. Security cams spot faces and odd behavior thanks to image recognition. Online shops use image recognition to suggest similar items you're searching for.